first things I notice. I respect that, you know, hugely. And when I see all the little gold medals and stuff like that, I know they're doing something right. And when I saw the quality of their products, their guarantees, I was mesmerized by that. And I wanted to have probably one of the best al fresco dining places of any place I've seen in the state. And when we get done with this out here, it'll probably be one of the better ones. It's totally protected from wind and elements. It's very tastefully appointed. I needed a great structure, and we had it. And those guys, when they showed up to install it, I said, how long is it going to take you to build this? Like a week? And they said, no, we'll probably have this thing done this afternoon. It's like, hey, I'll tell you what, I'll buy you guys breakfast, lunch, and dinner if you get it done in a day. And it was amazing. We started at like 6 in the morning and 7 o'clock that night. The superstructure was up. It was done. That's amazing.